Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to use Descript AI video editing software or video editing AI that will help you to create creative videos or edit in creative way. If you can write or if you can actually think in creative way or you can create a perfect prompt that you need, then you can actually get a perfect output or you can actually edit video professionally from descriptive AI. And this AI is much powerful that can help you to grab your audience's attention, and your editing could be at the top notch, so you can get that result, a top notch result from this Descript AI. So for that, let me introduce you some features, some new features on Descript AI. So for that, you just need to go to the descript.com and you just need to simply click on get started for free. Now after click on this button, you can find it is loading here. Now you can continue with your Google or your SOS, or you can just manually enter your email address and you can use a password. So I'm going to continue with my Google account here. So I'm going to select my Google and simply click on continue. Now it will sign me in, so let's just wait until it redirects me to the dashboard here. Now it will ask for me to set up my account. Now if I want this account for work or personal use or for education, then you have to choose according to your situation or to yours. So I'm going to get this for work here. Then customer success and support for designer research, engineering, HR, marketing, product management or sales, anything you can get about this. So I'm going to actually go to sales, so video content, and here you can see there's some plan here that are actually paid here. Also you can get a free plan from here that will include one transcription hour per month, export 720p with watermarks, limited trial of basic AI feature, limited 5 minutes trial of AI speech and avatar. But if you want to get the paid plan, then there are a vast of features that you can enjoy and get, and that can give you top-notch result in your video editing. So for now I'm going to go with this free version here. Now you can invite some team member if you have, so I'm going to skip it and help improve the script. So if you want, so then you can continue it, simply tap on continue. And then from this is actually your dashboard where you can get your all the video or the edited video and all the features. So let me quickly explain all of this, about all of this. The first one here, you can see in home you can find the edit a video. So it will allow you to edit an existed video, make a podcast, that will help you to make a podcast with the power of AI, create social clip. Also in this section, AI will help you to create a social clip. It could be a reels or any TikTok video or YouTube shorts. So then the transcribe a file, if you have any file that you want to transcribe, then you can go with this feature. Clean up audio, if your audio or your voiceover has a background noise or it is actually not perfect that you expected, then you can just use this feature to clean up your audio, and it is believe me, this will blow your mind. And then add captions, if you want to add captions in any video sensing your background voiceover or any type of voice, then you can go with this add captions. So it can recognize the voices, then it can automatically generate the captions for that video. Fix eye contact, so you can fix the eye contact, also the translate and dub video. So you can actually translate a video or dub a video. If for example, if a video is on Korean language and you want to dub it in English, then you can dub this video using these features that offered by Descript AI. Now head to the projects where you can find all your projects that you recently worked on or you have completed or someone shared with you. Then quick recordings, if you have any recordings if you record anything through the Descript AI, then it will store that videos, recorded videos in this section. And here is a guide for you how you can use Descript AI. I prefer you to see each of these videos so you can get a better knowledge about Descript AI. So and here is AI speaker. This is one of the most interesting feature in descriptive AI, that actually you can get a AI voiceover person that you can actually generate text to speech. So you can enter the text or the script of your video, then it will easily convert that text or script into a real human voice. So you can simply click on plus button here to get a new speaker that will speak for you on your video. Then from here in workspace, you can create private workspace, or you can have your own public workspace where you can create a new project, you can start new project, you can work on it, you can work together with your teammates. And from here, the popular feature is actually these two, that create with AI speaker and text to AI video. And yes, this two is Descript most popular feature. So let's see the first popular feature, text to AI video. So you can if you can write or you can create a perfect prompt and you can explain what actually you need, then you can get a perfect video according to your expectation. So I'm going to write like cat stalling or cat running with a piece of meat. The cat and the cat is very happy. Also, it's cute. Just like this. I actually, pardon me for my text here. So actually, I can't actually create a perfect prompt like the experts. I'm not expert on creating prompts, so that's how much I can. So this is actually, for example, for this video. So you can simply click on generate AI video, but before that, you can actually do some settings, that you can select the video type that you want. You can go with low polygon 3D or plastic sign or watercolor and ink or whiteboard doodle. So I'm going to get all this plastic sign, and you can also select the ratio that you want. So I'm going to get the portrait one and use avatars, yes, and simply click on generate AI video. And you have to wait. Opening project, you can see it is just opening the project, so you have to wait until it create or generate the video exactly that I want. So here you can see it's generating video. So you just need to give them 2 to 3 minutes to create a great first draft for you actually. Then use Descript text based editing and design tools to make it sound and look exactly like you want. So here you can see it is actually creating. So till then I'm going to pause this video because it will take a little long. So here you can see it is almost ready here, and it is just generated the video 100% and completely. So you just need to wait a little. We have to wait a little. And here you can see it has just generated the video, and it's look like kind of perfect AI generated video. So I'm going to play that video here. For example, here is the frame by frame. So the frame by frame video here. So I'm going to change it. I can change the video, or I can edit that video here. So I can replace it. I can replace the media here. I can change that person here, or change the position here. Also the zoom in and zoom ins and crop that person here. Anything I can edit it, the actually the frame by frame. So after that, you can edit each and every one. You can get the layer here. And you can also edit the text from here. You can change the text font style here. You can make it bold, you can change the size here, you can change the color, you can change you can make it custom, and the secondary color you can make it transparent. And some effects here, you can click on it and you can get some effects like visual effects like shadow, blur and film grains. Also you can get some animations. If you click on animations, then in, out, and you can click on custom. In animation you can find different types of animation, that could be blur, fade, also in, out, blurred frame and etc. Now you can simply click on three dot button to hide the properties here, and like this you can play it by this, get the, you can see the preview from here. So I'm going to go to the very beginning here, so I'm going to paste it.
Let me tell you the story of Whiskers, the happiest cat in the neighborhood. One sunny afternoon, as the golden rays of sunlight danced through fluttering leaves, Whiskers stumbled upon them. With eyes wide and heart racing with joy, Whiskers couldn't believe his luck. His whiskers twitched in excitement.
So that's how you can make a storytelling video easily, or you can actually change the prompt here. You can simply click on right here and you can change the prompt from here, or you can customize this prompt from here. So you have to be expert to change this prompt, and you can see each and every time result, and you can get improvement each and every time. Now go ahead to the elements. You can find different types of elements that you can add text here, subtitles here, or titles, or different types of shape that you want. So then the placeholder, you can change the media here, you can add screens, you can use your camera also, you can record yourself through the web camera by this one here. Then you can add some timer, some composition, marker, you can mark any specific thing, and you can also select the speaker here. So you can do anything actually. So I'm going to delete it actually here. So this is actually so I don't need that. So I'm going to click on Z, Control Z, and yes, I have just removed that. Now from here, Control Z to undo anything. So from here you will find waveforms, different types of waveforms that you want, that lines, circles. You can simply click on it and it will start the waveforms, that sound, that will change the sounds, and it will show you some dance here, that's the frequency dance. Now I'm going to undo this also. Then also like annotations and some overlays if you want. So you can find different types of overlay. You can simply click on show all to get all types of overlays here. You can add some glitches here, so like anything if you want. So then the captions, if you want, then different types of caption, that here it is the caption. It has just automatically generated the speech to text, and it has just go to caption. Like you can use this type of caption, you can this type of caption, also this type if you want. So this is pretty much cool, and you can also get some stock video from here if you want. So you can add some stock video, you can get some stock audio also, some audio effects, the sound effects here, some music if you want. So it's pretty much cool here. Now simply click on export button to export this video here. Now you can export it in 720p if you are a free user, and but you will get a watermark that could be annoying. So I prefer you to upgrade to a pro plan that will help you to create more perfect video. Now let's check out the speaker, the AI speaker, that you can make AI speaker here. So from here, use the speaker. You can get the preview of different types of speakers here. So like simply click on this.
Life is like a camera. Just
this play button here, and you can get this.
Life is like a camera.
Yes.
Life is like a camera. Focus on what's important.
So I'm going to choose this speaker here. Then you can choose the character that you want to display as yourself, or you can use any custom image here if you want. So like I want to use this actually this one here, and if I upload that image, then let's see if it can make this image movable. So assign avatar. So start writing here. Like I'm going to write anything like let me write something. So I have just added text here, so let's see if it can translate it. So here you can see generating AI speeches. It is generating one by one characters here, one by one word here. So you have to wait until it generates the full speech here. So let's see if it can perfectly generate the AI, the voice here. So here you can see the image here. So done. Now let's play it. Let's see how it looks like. So it's not playing right now. You have to wait done writing, and you have to simply click on got it. It's not playing right now, so there's something, might be some issue. So here you can see it is just generating avatar, so that's kind of problem. So it can generate the avatar, it can sense its mouth according to the speech. So for that you have to wait a little until it completes to 100% here. So you can just go to the project here, you can open it, and you can wait until it completed. So I'm going to cancel it. You can just wait for it, and you can just watch that watch this character to talk. You can also use some prompt, actually the default character. So I'm going to add a default character here. I'm going to choose one, like add from projected files here, not this actually. So I'm going to change it, and like stock media. So I'm going to use any type of media here. So importing video here, and wait for it to import the video, and the video is imported. Now let's see if it's play or not, and it's not playing actually. Yes.
Unfortunately, you cannot transfer funds from your Steam wallet back to a PaySafe card. Steam's refund policy stipulates that refunds are typically processed back to the original payment.
Perfecto. Yes, it's pretty much impressive, I think, and you can go with these AI voices that can make much potential in online content creators or online content creators. So you can create online contents that can help you to get reach in public, and you can just create a channel or Facebook, anything. You can go with these AI videos. So you can edit a video, like edit video, you can click on edit video, you can upload that file that you have exported. So I'm going to upload it, anything that I have exported. Then also you can go with the project. If you have any project file, select your file here, like add file. You can add a project file where you can edit that. Actually I have showed it earlier in this video about each and every feature in this Descript AI. So that's all. Hope you got this. If you want more descriptive video about Descript AI, then let me know in our comments below. Thanks for watching. Till next time.